added tuna and milk to the pasta and it was amazing. To start, add olive oil to a frying pan and also a tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt. And then add 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Let the garlic fry. And this recipe was a huge hit here at home. There's nothing left. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. I'll stir it very well until it's combined with the other ingredients. Now I'm going to add 400 milliliters of milk and add it little by little. Stirring so that the flour dissolves completely. And I'll do this process until I get a very smooth cream, like this. Now I'm going to add 100 milliliters of white wine and keep stirring. It's going to be delicious. Now chop the parsley to taste. Once the parsley has been chopped, add it to the sauce and stir again. Now I'm going to grate the rind of a Sicilian lemon. I'll remove the lemon zest. Now add the lemon zest to our sauce and keep stirring. Now we can cook the pasta. In boiling water, add a teaspoon of salt and 250 grams of spaghetti noodles. Now I'm going to open a can of tuna and add it to our sauce. Keep breaking up the tuna and stirring. Once that's done, our pasta is cooked and I'm going to take a ladle of the pasta cooking water and add it to our sauce. Keep stirring. And now we can add the drained pasta. Now all you have to do is coat the noodles in this delicious sauce. That's delicious. How would you rate this recipe? Let me know because your opinion is very important to us. And it's ready to be served. I'll finish it off with some grated Parmesan cheese on top. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!